Okay, another thing I wanted to do was to go into PayPal, so I'm going to click .PayPal, and let me pull up my information here if I can find it. There we go. Need to get a password out. So since PayPal does have access to financial information, we want to limit the password. It's only those who need it. So probably the treasurer and the webmaster. So I'll type in the password. Whoops. The user ID belongs to our prior treasurer. Actually, I'm not sure that's a good idea, but that's what we currently have. And like I said, there is access to information about payments for the next upcoming meeting here. We'll ignore that for the moment. Just go to Merchant Services, which is a button here on top. Then we'll go to My Saved Buttons. And it's usually a significant amount of time between button maintenance. So what I usually do is just create a similar button and make the button any way I want it. I've got so many buttons defined here, you probably could go back and just change one of the older ones. This is the most recent one here, 7/2/2014. Once you're done creating the button or re-editing this button, I usually create a similar button just to have a backup. But once you do that, you hit the View Code button, and you can do Select Code down here on this button, and then right-click and copy. So now you copy the HTML code to generate the button that you've created. And if you're a webmaster, you can probably read through this yourself and figure out how to maintain the button. I don't have to teach you how to do that. And so we'll go back to the test site and go to the registration page. And we'll click the Edit button for the registration page. And as you can see there, where the button was is an HTML box, so we'll click on that. I'm going to exit. So I'm going to delete that HTML box. Now it's gone. I'll say save, and you can see it's gone. So we'll click on Edit again. And this time we'll say Insert HTML box. And then we'll do a right-click paste. We'll copy the HTML into the HTML box for the PayPal button. We'll say Save for the PayPal button. Now we have a new HTML box. And we'll say Save for the page. And then you'll see that we now have, on our test site, the new PayPal button. So that's how you update the PayPal button. I hope this has been informative. And that's the end of our video presentation.